you so much for tuning into my channel today. In today's video, I am going to be decorating in my kitchen in a Valentine's theme. I am going to start by adding some simple accents of Valentines on my shelves in my kitchen. So if that sounds like something fun, just keep on watching. Before we get started, I'm just going to quickly show you the items that I have gathered to use to decorate my shelves. Now, as you can see, I have this sign here that says "Love makes our house a home." I also have these little rolling pins here that I'm going to be using. And I also have some greenery. I have this plain jar that I'm going to be using, and I'll show you what I'll be using that for a little bit later. I also have this mug that is Valentine themed that I'm going to be using, and I'm also going to be using this canister here. It says Sweet Light Sugar, and I'm also going to be using these felt hearts, I think. And so that's all the items that I'm going to be using. So let's get started. These are the shelves that I am going to be decorating in my kitchen today. I'm just giving you a view of what they look like. I have already cleaned everything off, so we're all set to get started. So I'm going to start on the very top shelf, and then I'm going to work my way down. Now I have added my sign, and I have placed it in the center on the top shelf. So I'm going to add in the next items. Now I have added in my greenery on the left side of my sign. So now what I need to do is work on the right side. So now I have added in my two mugs on this side here, and I'm going to go ahead now and also add in my creamer with the little rooster on it. So now I have added in my little creamer right here with the rooster. I don't know whether you can see that clearly or not because it is white and it's blended in. So I think this is all I want to put on the top shelf. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. So let's move on down to the second shelf. Okay, so I'm just going to take you down, and this is the next shelf that we are going to decorate. So what I'm going to do on this second shelf is, since I have this greenery here, I'm going to add another greenery piece, and I'm going to put it diagonally, and I'm going to put a greenery piece right here as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and add that in, and I'm just going to place it just like that. Okay, and you can kind of see that this is diagonal. I've got one up above right here, and then I have one mimicking on the second shelf. So let's keep on decorating. Now I have added in my canister. So the next thing I need to do is I need to add something in this center here. I can't leave it blank. So let me go ahead and add that. So now I have added in my little clear jar, and I inserted my little rolling pins in there, as you can see. And I think I'm missing something, okay? So I'm just going to step back and take a look at it, all right? And then I'll be right back. So stay tuned. So I decided to go ahead and add in my red hearts, as you can see, and I placed 3 red hearts in the back of this second shelf here because I wanted to give it a little more pop of color. And so because you know the background is white, the shelves are white, the wall is white, so I thought that adding the red hearts across the back here will give it more visual interest. So I'm just going to scroll up so you can see here that at the top, as you can see, my 2 mugs on the end here has 2 hearts on the front, so I replicated some of the hearts on that second shelf. So I think I am finished, you guys, and I'm going to give you one more final look, and we're going to end this video for today. So now I'm just giving you a closer look so you can see everything. As you can see here, this is the top shelf, and on the mugs it says love is in the air, and it's got a heart parachute. I thought that was adorable. Then I have my creamer there and my greenery. And I like this sign because it's in a shape of a house, and then it has that heart cut out on the top. I thought that was adorable. And this is a close-up look at the second shelf here. Greenery here. And then in this plain jar, I've got my 3 rolling pins that are Valentine themed. And then my canister. And then I added those 3 hearts there. Okay, sweet friends, this ends my video for today. I want to thank you all for tuning in. And if this is your very first time stopping by, welcome. And please kindly give this video a big thumbs up. Share it with as many people as you can. And kindly subscribe, you guys. That really helps my channel to grow. So until the next video, happy decorating and happy Valentine's Day. Bye-bye.